hide your key, hide your wallet, and don't click on shit, because they're hacking everybody up in here. What's going on, guys? JP here. You ever see what the fuck are those things? Sniper bots or front run bots or any of that shit? Well, every time I'm doing research on the blockchain or whatever, Etherscan or BSN scan or any of those things and trying to verify if something is legit, I always see ads for these sniper bots and shit like that, and I'm just like, man, that shit's got to be a motherfucking the biggest scam ever. I had to find out. Hopped on YouTube, and I just wanted to find out like what it is and like if it's possible or anything like that. And as I'm hopping on YouTube, I see a whole bunch of videos, and they're like, you could like 5 BNB in seconds and all this shit. I'm just like, motherfucker, if this was really a secret, nobody would be fucking sharing this. But I says, you know what? Let's fucking try it out. Let's see what happens. So the first thing we did was use the computer that we would never use with personal information or anything like that, and it still has a ton of VPN and security on it and all that stuff. Then I said, and we'll get a new MetaMask wallet. And I'll send like a half BNB to it, which is approximately a couple $100. So I click on one. The first one seemed pretty cool. I'm like, oh, this one's legit. This one's, this whatever. And the guy seemed pretty cool. And he goes through and he tells you how to use this remix.ether.org. I'm like, okay. So you go through and it's pretty simple. Like the process is pretty simple. Like I could probably duplicate it myself without even looking at the video right now. But the biggest thing is it comes up with a code at the end. You put this code in and it's supposed to front run. Well, let's see what the fuck that really is and like if it's possible. Now, for people that aren't familiar with front running, what it does is your front bot is programmed to you pay a higher fucking gas fee than these other people, so you weasel yourself into their block in the simplest terms possible. Because you pay a higher gas fee, what will happen is you could fucking weasel yourself into somebody else's motherfucking blockchain. Now, if this other person creating this contract happens to know something, which if you do this or that or anything else, you end up with, extra ether or, free BNB or whatever. There's millions of shit coins out there, and there's tons of fucking hustle programs out there too. So there's a lot of shit that goes on every second of the day where there is freebies for doing shit. And when you do that, because you paid a higher gas fee, you could fucking actually jack whatever freebies they might have. And I'm sure there's a whole bunch of other applications that front running actually does. I'm just stupid and I don't know what the fuck anything is. I digress. So we follow the steps, and at the end of the video, it's, just wait a couple minutes, and all of a sudden you're supposed to start fucking front running and getting fucking money into the shit. And minutes go by, nothing happens. Tens of minutes go by, 20s of minutes go by, fucking an hour goes by, nothing happens. So I'm like, we fucking knew that this was not going to happen. I needed to get a little bit different material for the channel and fucking shake it up a little bit. It's like 50 says. Is 50 coming out your stereo? Hard to tell though, because I switched the flow. So yeah, I figured I switched the flow up and do something a little different, but it's really not that different because I like to fucking expose the fucking scam motherfuckers. I'm going to fucking drop on all these fucks and how fucking hilarious this is. When you're looking through these contracts and shit, you're going to notice instead of PancakeSwap, it'll say like I PancakeSwap or I Uniswap, shit like that. That's where they're fucking getting you. I haven't figured out how you're sending the money to that thing because it seems legit like you're sending it to a contract. But what the fuck do I know? I don't know how to write contracts or any of that shit. At this point, like realistically, I'm not fucking broken over a couple $100 because it's worth it for the fucking content at this point. And it's worth it to fucking drop some knowledge on you guys. It's worth it to fucking educate you guys on how fucking scammy these fuckers are. But realistically, like, I'm impressed. The fucking situation is pretty fucking smart. I says, you know what? I'm going to text him. This is where he's fucking stupid. Or maybe he's smart. Maybe he just doesn't want to deal with all the bullshit clogging up his YouTube page. But he drops a fucking, what's that fucking thing called? Telegram. Yeah. Fucking, he drops a fucking Telegram fucking link so you can fucking message him. So I did. I says, well, the fuck, your shit didn't work. So I'll check these fucking things out. He says, some bullshit. Oh, your transaction accidentally got honeypotted. And I'm like, what the? He's like, 1% does it. And I'm like, this motherfucker says, it's your fucking contract. It's your fucking link. And he just doesn't respond to me. So, of course, I go forward. I say, listen, bro, like, fucking, I'm impressed. But tell me how you did it, right? So I'm like, just tell me how you did it so I could do it. I'm not fucking mad at you. I'm like, fucking, that's awesome. So now the motherfucker starts extorting me. Well, here's the fucking deal, motherfucker. And he's trying to get more money out of me, saying, you know, I'm only going to scam you once. So, you know, motherfuckers, if you see this Vlone, motherfucker, at this point, you know, you just ruined your whole fucking channel with me. You dumb fuck. You stupid motherfucker. Now you got to start over again. Start the fuck over again. And I'm going to keep doing it to you. I'm going to keep fucking doing it to you. I got fucking whole tons of fucking telegrams from my boys at PancakeSwap, forced me to get tons of telegrams. So I'll just change my fucking names. Fucking, I'm going to expose you all the time now. You shouldn't have fucking tried to extort me. Fucking, if you're smart, fucking send my money back. And I'll stop. But you won't do that because you're a fucking idiot. So that's where I'm at. So I'm digressing right now. I don't give a fuck if you like this video. I don't give a fuck if you subscribe. I don't give a fuck if you... Nah, you probably should share this message. Alright, fuck it, I'm out.